28 foot, that's a lot of torque. Pulling up to the shop. So, blow by racing should be ready for tune anytime soon.
So this one lays down to pretty good power. It's twin turbo setup.
Is this a Boss 302?
Yep.
Awesome. Oh, beautiful car. What does it have done to it?
Twin turbo setup, front mount twin turbo. Obviously all the supporting mods with it.
Is it a build motor or is it stock? Build motor. Okay.
Build motor.
Awesome.
Wow. Getting ready to see what she can lay down at the track. Should be
stick shift car or is it auto?
No, it's auto.
Yeah, I figured. So do you think this will run 8?
Should. I mean, the car has been 8 before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
On the stock motor or on the build motor?
Was on the built motor, less boost. Now it's running full standalone system.
Okay, awesome.
So it's
very nice.
This originally was a D6 car.
Really?
Coyote swap with the Whipple on it.
Wow. Is that pump gas or 85? It's pump, right?
Pump gas. It's a very fun car.
I bet, man. Coyote swapped the world.
Yeah. Well, got another 71 Bronco here with the Coyote swapping it.
Really? Wow, that's rare. And that's a 2013 Shelby GT500?
This one is a 13. Yep.
13, yeah.
Yep.
I figure because of the headlights.
13.
No, I think it's a 13 because of the unless they swap the front end, because those headlights and that grille belongs to the 13 and 14.
So we've got an 11 out there. Which also the guy's taking a bunch of parts of 13, 14 and kind of...
Yeah, I know that they swap the blowers like these 5... Oh, talking about
the that's one of this car.
Okay, exactly. That's a 13, 14.
When it goes back in, that blower is not going to be on it. It's going to be a Whipple once it goes back in.
What, Gen 5, the new one?
Yeah, it's Gen 5.
Gen 5. Yep. All strapped in. my Cobra friends here to you.
Send them. We got them covered. Look at everything else. Make sure it's good.
That's awesome, man. That's now we're talking.
I'll use half the bag and then we'll see the other half when we're done.
Yeah.
That's good.
You're gonna start it up and let it run?
Yep. And I'll circulate that through and that will drain it. And then we'll top it off every time. Right.
So how long have you been tuning turbos?
I started tuning cars back in 2004.
Oh wow. Wow,
Yeah.
When I was in middle.
Not even too low, man.
I was dreaming about driving a car. That age.
Gain some? A little. 533. 505 torque.
You fucking kidding me? What? Nah, you kidding? Nah, bro. Nah. It's making me like, what? Oh. Can you explain to me what happened?
Well, I leaned it out a little bit because it was still real rich up top. And then we obviously got the air temps, we got down to 76.
Okay, so that's a big
The ice.
difference.
It's huge, huge, yeah.
What do you think? Is that common for a Cobra, just an upper pulley 93?
That's really good numbers right now.
That's a really good number.
That's really good numbers, yeah. Yep.
Because you even said 500 was,
Like, I don't know, because the humidity's pretty hot today, but everything else is pretty good, so I'm very happy.
I'm happier.
As you should be, yeah.
I'm happier. Alright, driving home, turn me. 533 to the wheels. You guys gotta love these cars. It's a little ported blower. My goodness. Alright guys, so now that I'm back home, the reason why I'm saying that this car put down incredible power for it's not in the Terminator context, because there's Terminators that put 1,000 wheel, 800, 700. I'm talking about my setup, just a simple setup that I have. I've never seen an 03 Cobra with my setup, this simple, like I was saying, setup put down 533 real wheel horsepower. Keep in mind, let me walk you through my setup. All right, so you got a big filter, 2600 MAF, which you need to make that kind of power, stock intake, stock throttle body, stock plenum, factory blower. So that throttle body is being ported by Stickmeyer, that plenum has been ported by Stickmeyer, this blower stage 7 ported by Stickmeyer. Really good work by them. I must say that I'm truly impressed by this little M112. I am not kidding. So we have a 2.76 upper pulley. It's a very common pulley for the 03 and 04 Cobra. What do we have on the lower? It's a bone stock lower. Moving on to the side, we have bigger injectors, which we need to make that kind of power. That is a necessary mud to make over 500 real wheel horsepower. And what do we have down there? I don't know if you can see, but we have the factory headers. Only an upper pulley. I don't know if you guys saw on the dyno, we were only pushing 13 psi on this blower. A lot of people that make this kind of power, they push these blowers to 15, 16, and 17 psi. This blower only 13 psi. Really conservative. Stock headers, X pipe, fuel pumps, DW fuel pumps on the back. No booster pump, none of that stuff. Just 2 fuel pumps on the back. 93 octane on the tank. No E85. No octane booster, and we put down 533 real wheel horsepower. By the way, if you did the math in the beginning of the video, we picked up 76 real wheel horsepower. Real wheel. Just take that for a second. 76 real wheel, just by doing simple blower swap. Stock blower. This is my previous blower. You can see right there, it's my factory Eaton. I mean, I am truly impressed by what this car has done. It's just unbelievable. It's a little bit cold this morning here. That's why you see me with the hoodie. Normally, I don't wear a sweater here in Florida. But I am just so impressed with what this car did, what we did. By the way, I did all this blower swap on this channel, so I'm gonna link it up here or down in the description, so you can see the process if you wanna. If you're curious how to remove that blower, I did everything on camera. Me removing the factory blower, reinstalling this blower, and just doing basically everything but the fuel pumps. I did take the car to a shop to do the fuel pumps. I just didn't feel like doing that, dropping the tank and just working with the fuel pumps. By the way, I just want to give a huge thanks to Jerry Harris. Jerry Harris was the guy who gave me this supercharger because he did upgrade his Cobra to a VMP Gen 3R. So he was kind enough to, he drove here almost 3 hours, dropped off the supercharger. So I'm really thankful. Thank you, Jerry, if you see this video. Still, I appreciate you, brother. I mean, the blower is in great hands, and the Cobra is very happy with that blower setup. Now, speaking about Jerry, something unfortunately happened to him. He actually got into an accident, and his car, his VMP black, beautiful 03 Cobra, got into a pretty bad situation. Lady cut in front of him. It was raining. Car spun, hit the guardrail, and it's a total loss. Thankfully, he's fine, so he's doing okay. Nothing happened to him. But the car, unfortunately, is total loss. So another Termi that we lost. So I am really sorry about that. But Jerry, I spoke to him on the phone, and he was like, "Man, tell your audience if anyone is interested in an 03 Cobra engine, transmission, really good motor, healthy motor with a VMP Gen 3R, basically a brand new blower. You can let me know. I'm gonna put down his information down below, so if you want to contact him through Instagram, and I'm gonna put, he has a YouTube channel as well. If you guys are interested or know anyone that's interested in buying a Terminator engine with transmission with a VMP blower, or just a VMP blower by itself, a Gen 3R, those blowers on E85 make 800, 900 real wheel horsepower. I don't know about 900, but 800 I'm pretty sure. And pump gas, you can make 670, 680, 650 all day. A really efficient blower, 2.65 rotors. So if you know anyone that wants that supercharger, let me know, and let's help out my friend Jerry. So alright guys, so I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you guys are proud of what we accomplished on the dyno, and stay tuned for a lot more Terminator content that I'll be making in the near future. Reactions and pulls. I have a draggy too, and I'm looking forward this year to actually racing this car. So now it's making some good power, so we should take it down to the track again and see what she does. I'll be happy with an 11-second pass, to be honest. The mile per hour should be over 120, so I'll be happy with anything over 120. And let's see, man. Let's see. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.